There goes the frisbee again. Hooray! Hooray! And ball. Be careful. Okay. Uh-oh. Now what? You want Grandma to get it? Okay, you can get the little ball. You get the little one. It's right there. That's it. Got it. Grandma will get the... Oh, let's see if I can get the frisbee. There. Oh, no. Almost. Where are you going? Come here, Coley. I got your frisbee. Yay! There. What you gonna do now? What do you think? You want Grandma to get the ball? I'll get the ball. Okay, I'll get it. Hold on. There! Hooray! Grandma got the ball. What's it doing, huh? Eee, there goes the frisbee. Uh-oh, was right. Now what? There goes the ball. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What are we going to do now? You going to dance? Oh. Okay. Be careful, you're getting too close to the edge now. That's a good boy. Uh-oh, yeah. Uh-oh. Grandma get it. You want Grandma to get it? There's your ball. Ta-da! Say thank you. Thank you.
I love you.
You okay? Okay. There goes the other ball. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Chongo. Grandma gets it. There's one ball, two balls. And here is your frisbee. Don't get too close. What you doing? You like to play in the dirt, don't you? Into the drink. Uh-oh. Now what? Now what are we going to do? Getting too close to the edge, son.